Hello everyone. I would like to show you my FAIR'sFUTURE final project application. So this is the FAIR'sFUTURE. It shows the sign-in page. I can click on sign in and it will show me the accounts that I have linked to my device. I can click on any account and it will automatically log me in. Then I click and it will show me the information that I have, that the person have on the account, that is Rishabh Gupta and rishabh.gelly95@gmail.com. I can click on continue to application. This is the main page of my application. FAIR'sFUTURE is the name. For some reason I cannot see the F. I couldn't fix that. This is basically a fragment. That is the portrait view. I can change it to the landscape view, and this is the profile information. I can enter the profile information here. University. So basically a student can enter what university he goes to and everything. What is the major? Computer science. Science, anything. And then expected graduation, basically spring 2018. When we go back to the portrait view, it will take us to the main this window. I can click on resume and this will take me to the resume window. Here I can enter as many links I want for my resume. So let's say I have it on Google Drive or any link to the cloud that I can have or anywhere. Basically, this is a mobile application. This application's main PDF will be saved on web applications. I cannot save the PDFs on or the resume on device because it will make it very heavy, and it wouldn't make sense because the main content or the main application, the use of this application will be in job fairs, and therefore there is no use to keep resumes saved on the mobile applications, mobile devices. I can click on submit and this will save it. Another feature of this page is I can shake it and it will take me to the other window. So the shake gesture, I can just shake it and it can come to the employer window. This window is basically if I'm going to an event in the job fair, I can save which companies are coming to it. Let's say Google is coming and it is at booth 12. So I can write down my favorite companies and see which booths they are coming to. That will help me navigate through the job fair if by any chance I'm making some preparations to go to it in advance. Or let's say Twitter. 7, and you can add a couple of more. I click on submit to submit it. I can go back to the dashboard, or I can go back to this employer and press back button and go to the resume window. Now I'm on this window back, and if I click on resume again, I don't have this data that I saved before, but I simply click on read and it will show me the data that I saved before. I can go back to dash. I can go to now there is another window that is events. I can create event here. Let's say there is a SJST job fair. Job fair. Sorry for the typos. I can write where it is happening. To remember, student union. I can write which date is happening. That is maybe 12th. That is 3rd December 1968. Well, and then simply you click on the submit button and it will save it. Again, if I come back to events, I can see which event I created by clicking on read simply. I can click on employers. From here also I can go to the employers page. Now here we saved all the employer information, which one we want to go to, the favorite employers. I can simply click on read and see the employers that I saved. If you want to change it, I can simply write, let's say Gmail, and I submit it and it has changed it. So if I come back to employers, and now if I read it, see it has changed Google to Gmail. Another feature of this application that is very important, that is you can click on this very small green and yellow button right beside the venue, Student Union, and it will take us to the maps. Oh, okay, so I have to change the application. Yes, so one second, it was the location was not accessible. So I can click on this. To change the permission setting, I have to give permission to the application. I'm sorry. So basically you can go to here to this application, allow it. Oh, so you can come back to the maps and you can navigate to wherever you want to go to. So yep, that's it. I hope you like my application. Please ask me if there's any confusions. Thank you.